So my name is Sajid, and I work as a program manager with a company called Trundle Labs. We basically work on, providing Atlassian solutions to our customers and clients. But today I stand in front of you as an amateur musician. I call myself an amateur musician because I don't think I'm a fully musician yet. I don't think I'm just a agile enabler or a servant leader as I am here today. So I think the voice is getting better. Thank you. Perfect. So the idea here today is that we are going to talk a little bit about music. We are having Prachi and Sandeep who will help me. Whoa, this keeps getting better and better. Now, let me tell you a couple of things about the next 15 minutes. Till yesterday, I did not know that I had a vocalist. So the idea was just we'll have some music. I'll have a conversation with you guys for 5-10 minutes. But just like any software development project would go, a new requirement came in. Let's have a vocalist, and we realized Prachi is a vocalist. So we identified hidden talents within ourselves. Today morning, I came to know another SLs of ours is a piano player. Sadly, we could not get the piano on time. Otherwise, we have Purva, who's a piano player. Hopefully, next year we'll have a full, blown performance on the stage. But for tonight or today, what we are going to do, I'll keep saying tonight. I think I'm still stuck. For people who were there in Hard Rock Cafe yesterday, yeah, so you guys know. Rest, you should have been there. It's a joke. So the idea is that we're going to just talk a little bit about music and just have some fun with some performances. But before I begin, let me tell you a little bit about what music can do for you, right? So, can you, if there's a clicker. Perfect, thank you. So this is just my stage name if anybody wants to search for it afterwards. I have some of my songs available on all the streaming websites. This is what I wanted to tell you. So there's a very famous neuroscientist. Her name is Anita Collins. Whenever you get time, do look out for her. And she's a brilliant speaker, and has been a TEDx speaker as well. And she did a breakthrough research identifying the correlation between music and our brain development. So you can look at the data. Actually, I just took out a couple of snippets that how practicing music and how even listening music or different genres of music can help you grab onto things much more in a detailed fashion, much more easily, because your brain becomes receptive to the information that you're trying to get. And the performance, I'm trying to connect it all back to agility, how we formed this performance as well, because as I said, we did not have any requirements. We just thought of we'll do some music, then the vocals came in, until today morning the song list was not finalized. So like 5 minutes ago, I and Prachi just dotted down a couple of songs. Cool, we'll have these. So that's how agile that I think this performance is going to be. Agile or daring, or you guys can give us feedback later. Also, as you see, there's no percussion here, so we want you guys to join us. And Prachi and Sandeep are here, who are going to get inside the groove of it. So would be great if you guys can join in. And then one last thing, we are trying to do a little bit of mix in terms of Hindi and English, so that some of our guests who have traveled can also join in. But I did not want to do a fully one language set, because again, I rely a lot on that research, which says if you listen to music you're not familiar with, your brain wants to know more about that specific genre, and then it again helps in that neural development of your brain. So I thought, okay, let's do a mix and match of couple of things, couple of old songs, maybe a rock song in between that you wouldn't expect. Maybe a rap song, who knows, right? Because we are not sure ourselves. Perfect. So let's start. Oh, you guys can hear it perfectly? So just like any other speaker, I would request the other servant leaders to tell me when our time is up by that 10-minute gap.
I'll do that.
Perfect. So let's start. mic is not on, Prachi.
रूठे पिया को हंस के मनाना, ये हकीकत है या के फसाना, ये हकीकत है या के फसाना। सजना आप ही जा, सजना आप ही जा, सजना आप ही जा, सजना आप ही जा। नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा, हाय नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा, हो नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा, हाय नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा। सजना आप ही जा, सजना हो आ ही जा। No matter how far, couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusted who we are, and nothing else matters.
Never open
Myself this way, life is ours, we live it our way. All these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters.
Oh. Cool. So now we'll do a song where we want you guys to join in. Okay. So what I want you guys to do is follow the beat. Okay. Can we all do that? Perfect. So the song
You
goes
can
something
clap
like this.
or,
Yeah, you have to clap. So
Snap your fingers,
snap
whatever
or
you
clap your
like.
fingers and help Prachi with the percussion. So I'll give you the beat.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे, खोलो खोलो दरवाजे, पर्दे करो किनार, खूंटे से बंधी है हला, मिलके छुड़ाओ सारे। खोलो खोलो दरवाजे, पर्दे करो किनार, खूंटे से बंधी है हवा, मिलके छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके, आसमां का रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियान आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, हो दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है, झम से बिखर What's next, Sajid?
Yeah, Sai as a child. So yesterday it was raining. It was raining, right?
Uh-huh.
So how about a song about the rain?
Yeah, yeah. Why not? एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे ना पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली अजनबी से कोई आगे ना पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है ला 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 हे 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 डगमग डगमग लहकी लहकी भूली भटकी बहकी बहकी मछली मछली घर से निकली अगली सी सोनी रातों में मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे ना पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी
Perfect. Now for the last song, let's have some fun. So I want you guys to go out in the actual folks and probably pull out volunteers who would like to sing the song.
Okay.
What about that? Prachi can lead the song, and Sandeep, can you help with the folks?
Yes, yes, yes.
Cool. So we'll do a song which has been done over and over and over and 1,000 times covered. It has been one of the greatest songs that I feel Bollywood has ever came up with. It's called Gulabi Aankhein. So yeah, you see the folks from who are not from India, from the expression you must have gathered that that song, right? It's that song. So it's like the song which has been covered by almost every artist who has ever picked up a guitar in India. He has first played that song. So we are going to do that too.
So anybody who loves this song wants to join us
Yeah,
here?
see, we will already have volunteers. So Sandeep,
Yeah,
go in
please,
between.
please come on, join us.
Perfect.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको हो मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया wanna join us?
Who wants to join us? No one? Let's try out, yeah.
दिल में मेरे
Yeah, unwind yourself.
ख्वाब तेरे तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार
तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार से मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा मैं कहीं का ना रहा क्या कहूँ मैं दिल रुबा बुरा ये जादू तेरी आंखों का ये मेरा कातिल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल गया
Come on, let's unwind.
ओ मेरे यारों संभलना मुश्किल हो गया
Are we out of time? We have 1 minute. So let's everybody just stand up. Let's stand up. So it's throughout the day you keep having to go between rooms, right? Is the Rubaru? I did not try that. I did not see the. How do Rubaru? Okay. Okay. So there is this song from a movie called Rang De Basanti. Has everybody Indians seen that movie? Yeah. So it's one of my all-time favorite movies. There's a song called Rubaru. And I would request all the servant leaders to come in front. Anybody who has a purple badge, please come in front. And please mind the wire. Last 1 minute, everybody
Just
has to-
shout out, get it all out.
Exactly.
And
So get the rage
re-energize.
out. It's Sunday. Be as loud as you can. Let folks from Leela come and report.
Yeah,
us,
let this
okay?
place rattle and jazzle.
Are all the servant leaders here?
We have room on this side too. Please join us
No, I don't
here.
need it. Oh, phone I'll use it.
Sanchita, Swati, can we have you on this side? Please.
Guys, so I have a wire because of which I cannot move. So all the servant leaders, that side.
Come here, come here.
All the wireless
Come this
servant
side,
leaders.
सूरज को मैं निकल गया
रूबरू रोशनी रूबरू रोशनी
Thank you, everybody. Whoa! I thought 1 minute ही है हमारे पास.
Come on, yeah.
You just had 1 minute, right? So how can servant leaders break that pattern?
I know, seriously.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank